Hey guys, in this video today I'm installing this pedal commander PC31 in my Maserati Ghibli. So first off we have this panel that comes down. There's a couple of bolts, hexagon shaped. There are two next to this OBD reader. One of them is right over here. One over here right above the gas pedal. And then you just pull on this one circular nut. After that this cover comes free. Unfortunately there is a rip in it now, but I guess that's how it is after seeing a couple of videos. So that comes out, and then we have this light connector that pulls out, so just make sure to unclip that. Now we look up here right above the gas pedal, and you can push in one of the tabs right here, and then this comes out. The pedal commander only has two clips. One of them goes straight into the wiring of the car, and the other one goes into the gas pedal. The one going into the gas pedal has a red tab, so I push that in, and it clicks. Here's a closer view of the wiring. One to the gas pedal, one to the wiring of the car. Next, we have to figure out where to mount this box. I'm just going to run it under this trim over here, and then just have it next to me within reach. So of course, with the seat going back and forward, I have to think about where exactly to place this. But for now, I'll put the rest of the car back together. So we have this big trim piece that has to go back in place. It does require a bit of fiddling around the pedals, and of course, behind this one trim on the very right, to be able to position it upward. Now putting those few bolts back in place and tightening them down too. And finally, this plastic rim piece. And now it's installed. So with this installed, I have it right here temporarily, and I'm able to flip between the buttons. So in the next video, we'll see if this reduces the lag in the pedal. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.